Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from an Oswaal question bank. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout, including chapter organization and special features. Next, take a moment to review your complete syllabus to ensure you cover all topics. This initial step helps you identify areas where you already feel confident and those that require more attention, setting a clear path for your study journey. Once you're familiar with the structure, dive into topic-wise questions to build a strong foundation. After mastering individual topics, challenge yourself by solving full previous exam papers within a strict time limit. Remember, the goal isn't just to get the right answer, but to deeply understand the solution process. Analyze each step to grasp the underlying concepts fully, which is crucial for long-term retention. To enhance your learning, utilize the mind maps and mnemonics often included in the question bank for quick and effective revision. A critical step is to consistently review all questions you answered incorrectly. Understanding why you made a mistake is more valuable than just knowing the correct answer. Strive for at least 2 comprehensive revisions of the entire material before your actual examinations. As you approach your exams, continue to build confidence by tackling challenging problems and consistently practicing. Ensure you maintain a balanced study schedule, incorporating breaks and adequate rest for optimal mental performance. On exam day, remember to stay calm and focused. Trust in your preparation and apply the strategies you've honed. You've put in the work, now demonstrate your knowledge effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.